Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
Alright, y'all. So here is the hotel room. We're going to start with the bathroom since it is first on the left. So here is our favorite toilet in the whole wide world.
Oh my gosh, it was nostalgia when we went to the airport.
Controls.
I didn't use it, but I saw it.
And you have the sink and soap, and then this is the shower area. Oh, okay, so there's no tub this time, just a shower. And then when you walk in, you have a full mirror here. They give you some house slippers. There is a nice sized closet here with some towels, place to hang your clothes. Oops. Nice sized bed. Look how cool these room keys are. Pretty cool. We ordered breakfast, so they gave us some breakfast tickets and water. They have a TV here. I don't remember if we watched the TV last time we were here or not. Sorry I'm low energy, y'all. We just literally got off of our flight, so I'm tired. We've been flying for a whole day. This is the view. And a nice couch to have a seat at. Only thing missing is a desk to work, but I guess this can kind of function as a desktop a little bit. Okay, after figuring out the blind, we actually do have a better view than we thought. So you can kind of see the city a bit. There we go. Got a little bit of a view here. Okay, initially we thought these wouldn't fit, but they did fit. We'll explain that in a later video, but this was our outfit to wear down to the onsen, the public bath.
We were looking, they gave us little kind of robes night things. We were looking how small the waist is there. You gonna wear it?
Why is the top so big and the bottom so small?
Because that's how, I don't know. They said you need the room up top.
They have a few restaurants located on like the first and second levels of the building. One of them seems to be affiliated with the hotel, but it's not very clear. Sometimes they have these buildings, large buildings, but then there will be more than one business in the building. The restaurant that we went to is the place that they also serve breakfast. So we got our breakfast from here as well. We ended up getting some chicken. It tastes pretty good, and French fries, but they called the French fries something else. I don't know if it was like potato wedges or potatoes or fried potatoes or something of that nature. Either way, it was good. It was fairly priced and is conveniently located if you're headed back to your hotel pretty late or something and you don't really want to go out for food. This is located down on the lower level, so that was pretty helpful. Now, be sure to like this video, comment, let us know what you think. What do you think about the hotel? What do you think about their restaurants? And subscribe to our channel. We post videos every single Friday as well as shorts about 3 times a week. So you will get consistent content when you subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, so this is information that they gave us at check-in. They had their policy on when they come and clean the room. They have their policies on the different things. If you wanted more, you can call down and they will arrange that for you. But the schedule that they had set up where they come in every few days was perfect for us. And they actually gave us a new robe and pants for the onsen every single day. So or every time they came in. So if you go down there daily, you'll have fresh stuff to wear. They also gave us some information about some of the areas in some of the sites in the area that we could check out. And then they have the rules for the onsen. Okay, so Obviously, you cannot take your phone, you can't take photos. You're not to wear swimming suits. It is not a swimming pool, it is for relaxation. You can't go with like open sores and things like that. And you're not supposed to be down there playing and horse playing. It's literally for people to relax and chill. No alcohol, no babies. But we did see children there while we were there. The it was a woman and her children, and they were coming out as we were coming in. So they do seem to allow children, but maybe just not young babies who you can't really control whether they're crying or making noise. If you order food, here is your tickets. We ordered breakfast for every morning, so these were our meal tickets. Hope this video was helpful, y'all. Be sure to like,
Alright,
comment,
y'all, it's been
subscribe.
sweet. Check us out next week
When we out here
in these streets. Peace.